46. Welcome to another episode of A Project a Day. Today we are going to talk about Young Diplomats Conference.
We have been organizing this Young Diplomats Conference for 5 years, and in this conference we are able to talk about serious world issues as high schoolers. The special thing about this conference to us is that we deal with every detail of this conference, with communication, transportation, and so on.
Well, at first, the conference only attracted a few people. But throughout the years, our outreach grew and it started to attract more people and more people. So last year, for example, there were 120 people from 35 different cities from all around Turkey, and we hosted them in our dormitories.
We also choose different themes every year. For instance, last year's theme was education and this year's theme was women in 21st century. So the good thing about this conference is that different students from different cities gather and share their ideas with each other. This is the best thing about this conference, I guess.
Yeah, and it doesn't only help you meet other people, it also improves our public speaking skills. So it's very important as well.
Yeah.
The conference lasts for 3 days and it's held at Bahçeşehir University, which is the platinum sponsor of the First Foundation. At the conference, the delegates first gather in a conference hall to introduce their countries and talk about their policies.
The countries of these different schools are selected randomly. First of all, these students do a little research about their countries and gain information. Afterwards, in the conference, they actually support the policies of their countries in a diplomatic way. There are 3 topics that they basically talk about.
Yeah, and there are some certain rules that they should follow in order to talk in a more diplomatic manners. And it's a little bit challenging at times because the delegates don't always agree with their country's policies.
Yeah, so basically, this atmosphere is a little bit serious when it's compared to normal life.
If you want to take a look at its social media, click here.
And thanks for listening to us. Hope to see you again on another day with another project.
Bye.